Let me play and see.
Hello, this is Stanley. This is
amazing. Hello, this is Stanley. Good afternoon. Hello everyone, this is Stanley, RC Corner. Today we're going to demonstrate how to connect DJI MIC 2 to smartphone and compare the sound quality between other brand and DJI MIC 2 product. So now I'm going to unbox and see what comes with the DJI MIC 2. Alright, so I'm going to open it now. Wow. Yeah. Hello, so this is the charging case. So let's see, in the charging case we have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Along with this we have the connectors that you can use either iPhone or Android. So my phone is Android, so I'm going to use the Android. Just take the slick out. You see the receiver, gently locked. You connect to your phone. Great. Then any of the mics or the receiver that you want to, the transmitter you want to use, depend on you. I just turn it on. You see this green light. You turn on the adapter as well. After inserting the receiver into your phone, you go with the transmitter, turn on your camera. So I start. Hello, this is Stanley. This is a trial test for DJI MIC 2 and the other brand. Let's see how quality the sound is. Thank you. Let me play and see.
Hello, this is Stanley. This is
amazing.
Trial test for DJI MIC 2 and the other brand.
Wow.
Let's see.
Hello, this is Stanley. Good afternoon. Today we're going to demonstrate how to connect DJI MIC 2 to smartphone. Now we're going to compare the sound quality. As you know, I'm talking from the other brand, this one. So we'll compare the two. So I go with the DJI MIC 2. Yeah, so as you know, I'm speaking from the other brand. So now let's connect the receiver to the DSLR so that we can see the difference. So comparing the sound quality, you can feel it that DJI MIC 2 has professional sound. Now let's talk about the features. You know, the DJI MIC 2 has many features. That's the voice cancellation, the distance which covers 250 meters, the charging hours is only 1 hour 10 minutes, and after charging it can work for 18 good hours. Compared to other brands which charge like more hours and work, let's take it like only 2-3 hours, DJI MIC 2 is not like that. So we can see the qualities or the features are far different. There's a huge gap. What are you waiting for? This is the time to switch to DJI MIC 2 than the other brand. If you need any inquiries, just contact our sales team. Thank you, Stanley from RC Corner.